There are two ways you can share a lesson with your student. Choose the lesson you want to teach. It must be located in drafts. If you found the lesson you like in the community section, save it to drafts to customize and share. Open the lesson and click Share in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, find Copy for a Student and click on Create Invitation Link. The link will automatically copy to your clipboard, but you can also manually copy it by clicking on Copy Link. This link will work for anyone, but you can delete it and create a new unique link, making the old one invalid. Send this link to your student in any messenger and ask them to open it in their browser. Once the student does so, a mutual copy will be created in the shared section of the platform. Both of you and your student will have access to this lesson. This copy is separate from the original lesson in drafts or the community, and any changes will not be shared among copies. If you share this lesson with several students, each of them will get a separate copy shared with you. Now the student can do exercises in the lesson. You will get notifications of any changes they make. If you want to add exercises, leave feedback, or reset students' answers, open their copy in Shared and click on Edit. This will not work if the student has the lesson opened to prevent clashes and changes. Make your changes to the lesson, click Save and go back to student mode. In class, you can ask your student to share their screen while they're working on the lesson to navigate them. Alternatively, you will need to reload the page every time the changes are made to be able to see them. The second way you can share is by turning on View Only. This allows others to access your copy in drafts, but only in preview mode. You can turn it on and off anytime. This way, your students do not need to sign up to Amazee.uk, but their progress will not be saved. All changes will be erased the moment the tab is closed or reloaded. You will also not be able to see what they have done or track their progress in any way. This option is useful to show off a sample of your work to potential students or employers.